Asterisk asterisk Pip the Puppy's playground day asterisk asterisk. One sunny morning, Pip the Puppy woke up with a big stretch and a happy yawn. Woof! Time for a fun day at the playground, asterisk he barked. But before he could dash outside, his mom reminded him, First, eat your breakfast, Pip. A happy puppy needs good fuel, asterisk. Pip gobbled up his bowl of crunchy kibble and fresh veggies. Yummy, now I'm strong and ready to play, asterisk he said. At the playground, Pip's friends were already there. Bella the bunny, Milo the kitten, and Sammy the squirrel. Let's play tag, asterisk Milo meowed, but Pip shook his head. First, we take turns. No pushing, that's the rule. Asterisk, he reminded them. They played happily, sharing the swings and slides. When the sun was high, Pip's tummy rumbled. Lunchtime, asterisk, he said. His friends unpacked their healthy snacks. Carrot sticks, apple slices, and cheese cubes. Good food keeps us energized, asterisk chirped Sammy. After lunch, Pip noticed Bella yawning. Someone needs a nap, he said. Bella nodded. Even bunnies need rest to hop their best, asterisk, she giggled, curling up under a tree. As the sky turned pink, Pip's mom called, Time to go home, Pip. Early bedtime means more fun tomorrow, asterisk. Pip wagged his tail. Okay, Mom, a disciplined puppy is a happy puppy, asterisk. That night, Pip snuggled into his cozy bed, dreaming of tomorrow's adventures. Good habits make everyday pawsome, asterisk, he thought, drifting off to sleep. Asterisk, asterisk, the end dot asterisk asterisk.